So, welcome to a new consideration concerning the original flare. The now following performance is interesting because the performance of the original flare or the consequence of the performance is to produce three sounds with equal time value. But this is also the reason why we obtain an irregular rhythm, because 3 is an odd number of record motions, and now by the consideration that we move the record, the last sound, so the backward motion, not twice as fast, we move it twice as long, we obtain actually 3 sounds, but another duration, another summate of duration. And this is, in this case, it's a variation 1/4. So how it sounds, how it functions, can we see now in the slow-mo performance. So we obtain a regular rhythm because our third sound is not twice as fast. Our third sound is such as long as the summate of the first and the second sound. Okay, we play actually a baby scratch, or in this case a forward-backward scratch, and we cut it the first note twice and then we move it back to the start point with the open motion. Once again, the performance. So, and when you play now this performance twice as fast, it sounds like this. When you play it twice as fast, like this, it sounds like this. It's like brushing through the sounds. It sounds really fast when you play it more faster than this performance here. And many variations are possible by playing this methodology. And yeah, really simple, I think, but it's interesting to play the original flare now in another type of variation. So, to understand the difference between the normally practical conversion of the original flare and the new variation, let's have a look at the original pattern of the original flare. It goes like this here. Yeah, this is clear, I think. Dun 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 dun. So every sound got the same time value, the same duration, and now we see our new variation. Now the original pattern. Okay, that means we play the last sound at the new variation not twice as fast. We play it such as long as the summate of the first and the second sound. So now we came to the practical conversion of the variation 1. That means we play basically a forward-backward motion. That means we let the record play. And then move it in the same speed and duration back to the start point. So, the crossfader sequence is the same like the original flare. And we can now obtain or observe the single stages of this performance. That means we let the record play like the original pattern and we close the fader. After this we play a transformer click, but we must play this note as 1. This is important. Now we move the record back, but not twice as fast. Like this. Okay, and now we are at our start positioning. And this is the performance. So now we came to the reverse pattern, and this is basically simple, I think. We move the record back and cut it twice, first by the closing motion and then by the transformer click like this here, to produce two sounds, and then we let the record play and we open the crossfader. Okay, this is the variation 1 of the original flare, a really simple consideration, I think, but it opens some possibilities to create new patterns. Okay, so bye bye.